Kidscapades. The fun starts here, so check out our social media pages and our website, kidscapades.com. So this is going to be a super fun morning, kiddos. We are doing some Minions projects today, and I have some of my Minions friends with me to hang out with us this morning. So let's just go over some of the materials that you're going to need for our project. So you're going to need a toilet paper tube, blue and yellow paint, of course, paintbrushes, white and black construction paper, some shaving cream, some scissors, a tray. This is about a 2-inch tray. Whatever tray you have is fine. Some googly eyes, a googly eye, and a black marker. So we're going to get started with our first Minions project. We're going to do our toilet paper tube Minion, and it's super fun. It's really cute. If you would like, you may divide your toilet paper tube in half with a black line. So just draw a black line in the middle of your toilet paper tube. If you don't want to do that, then that's perfectly fine. The top part of your Minion is going to be yellow for his face and body, and the bottom part is going to be blue for those crazy little pants that they have. So hi, good morning. See some friends hopping on. We're doing our Minions project. We're just getting started. You're going to need a toilet paper tube, blue and yellow paint for this one. So you're going to paint the top part of your Minion guy yellow. And if you're using washable paint, the yellow may need 2 coats in order to be able to not see the toilet paper tube through it. So you can come back to this video at any point to catch up where we left off if you wanted to dry in between coats. And I just splattered yellow paint all over me. I am a messy painter. Once you're done with the blue, going to want to paint once you're done with the yellow, excuse me, you're going to want to paint the blue on the bottom. And again, if you're using washable paints, sometimes the blue on a toilet paper tube needs a second coat. It's a cute Minions guy. So you want to cover and make sure that your entire tube is covered with paint. The more paint you have on your toilet paper tube, the more it's going to look like a Minion. There we go, he's already starting to look like a Minion. So this is what my toilet paper tube looks like. And you might want to let it dry before you add the details to it, but I'm going to go ahead and do that now so you guys can see what the Minion toilet paper tube guy looks like when he's finished. The next step is adding his little eyebrow. So I have one big googly eye. I'm going to glue on right in the middle of my Minion's face. Stick it on right there. You can put your eye wherever you want. And then with the black construction paper, I have one already cut out. At least I thought I did. With the black construction paper, yep, here it is. You're going to cut a rectangle, the shape of a rectangle out. And then after you cut the shape of the rectangle out, you're going to just cut into the rectangle to make hair for the Minions guy. So this is what my hair looks like. So let me show you. Just a little shape of a rectangle. Make sure you stop before you get to the bottom. And you're just going to take your scissors and cut little strips of hair. Just like that. You can do different lengths of the hair, whatever you want to do. Just make sure that you stop at the bottom. If you go all the way to the bottom, you might cut through and cut the hair off. Our Minions guy doesn't need a haircut quite yet. So then once you get your hair done, you're going to just add glue to the bottom of this part, just to the bottom, like that. See if I can do it for you. And then you're going to stick it on your Minion's head. Just like this. Isn't that cute? Oop. Make it kind of try and align it with its eye. Isn't that a cute little project? Once it dries, you can add some lines to hold his eyeballs on. You can add a mouth for his, on the yellow. Give him a good smiley mouth. And there you have it. There is our first Minions project of the morning. It's a super cute little Minions guy. Great. Now I didn't have you gather materials for this one, but it's really cute. We do this a lot with the kiddos. It's just a yellow paper plate. It's really cute. It's a Minions mask. It's a yellow paper plate. Just cut out a white circle. I traced my circle on something round. It's much easier. Glue the white circle onto the yellow plates. Color the center black. Add the little black strips on for like to hold the glasses on. Put a little smiley face on, and then again add just the little strip of hair from black construction paper. And then there you have it. You have a Minions mask. If you'd like, you can actually cut a hole in your black circle and just have the kid's little eyeball go through it. Tie some string to it, and they can be running around the house with this Minions mask on. It's a really cute little craft idea. All right, so that's another super cool Minions craft. Now, let's do some Minions sensory. Are you guys ready for this? So much fun. So from your white construction paper, you're going to cut out a little 2 eyes, 2 circles, and then add some pupils, the black part, to it. This is from your, I'm sorry, I told you guys to use craft foam because the craft foam works a little bit better and holds up a little bit better in the shaving cream. I have construction paper. I didn't have any craft foam with me. But this is something, if you use craft foam, it'll hold up and you can use it multiple different times. So here are the googly eyes. 2. And you're going to put some shaving cream in your tray. So you're going to add some shaving cream to the tray and add either whatever color you want, your blue paint or your good morning, we're doing some Minions projects. We're on our sensory exploration. So we just cut out 2 circles for the eyeballs from craft foam. You're going to put some shaving cream in the tray, and if you have little Minions characters at home, you can add this to your sensory. I have a lot of Minions guys with me. Really cute. So you can add these to your shaving cream. See that? Aren't they cute? Who likes Minions out there? They are so fun. I have a lot of Minions. Just make sure that the Minions that you're using are washable. I wouldn't use like a stuffed, I mean, I guess you can. You just have to throw it in the washing machine when you're putting them through shaving cream. So you're going to fill your tray with the shaving cream. Add your blue or yellow paints. I'm going to use blue. Mix it up. But I had a popsicle stick with me. Okay, I'm just gonna mix it up with my paintbrush. Let's mix it up. You can use your hands if you want to mix it up. If you wanted to add the yellow, make a guess, make a prediction of what this color would turn into. If you add yellow and blue together, what color does it make? Then you're just going to smooth it out. Smooth it out. And then you can put your eyeballs in. You can squish your eyeballs into the shaving cream. You can make them slide across the shaving cream. This is really fun to do in the bathtub too. If you're using the craft foam, just fill the bathtub with some shaving cream and have the kids slide the eyes across the shaving cream in the bathtub too. It's really fun. You can put it on the bathtub wall too. If you have your little minions, guys, you can stick them inside there and just cover them up with some shaving cream. Make them dive into the shaving cream. Anything you want to do. But have fun with it. Have fun with the sensory portion of it. All right, kiddos. Thanks for hopping on. For those of you that did, I will see you next week. Nice job today, Minions fans. Kiss your brains. Have a great day.